let's unbox the Vivobarefoot shoes. Okay, these are the Primus Light Knit in the purple heather one. I wear, normally I'm a 6.5, but I did get these in a US size 6 or the regular size, which is a 37. So these are 0 drop shoes that have minimal padding, wide toe box, and flexibility. So these shoes can flex around. They're supposed to help our foot reach our natural state. So straight off the bat, their packaging is really cute, and I love that they use cardboard and it's minimal. I really do like that. They had little hard things in the shoe that kind of help keep the shoe shape. So these are the shoes. Oh, they're so cute. They are so cute. So they have this light purple, like honeycomb pattern, very smooth. It's not very grippy or anything. The cute little Vivo V that kind of looks like a heart. And then it has it here as well, and then the laces. So the tongue does come up a little bit higher on your ankle, and then there's a slight bit of padding here and here, and then in the shoe is very little padding. And these perforations actually are little holes, so you can see my teal nail polish through them. So these are going to be the perfect summer shoe. I'm very excited. As a personal trainer and nutrition coach, a health coach, I'm trying to find things and just live life on a natural aspect and be my best version of myself. So for me, my ankles collapsed when I was a toddler, when I was little. So my ankles can't go inwards unless I force them to stay up. I have extremely high arches. So these shoes do worry me a little bit, but here's the thing. When we wear shoes that cramp our toes together, our toes stop functioning. Once our toes stop functioning, everything else goes. Our ankles start compromising, our knees start compromising, our hips, then our spine. It's everything. Everything is connected. And as I am a personal trainer, I am training more and more senior citizens, and I'm noticing the same patterns from all of these people I'm training. And that is a lack of balance and coordination has led to a default like roller coaster all the way down for their strength. And I'm focusing on building that balance and strength back up. And I think it starts from the feet. No cap, starts from the feet. All of those running shoes with the super big padded like Hokas, and I used to be a fan of Hokas again because of the wide toe box, but the thing is they're still not 0 drop. So 0 drop means that your heel and your toe are at the same plane. There's no arch support. There's nothing guiding your foot and manipulating it to go in a different direction. Now, I wouldn't go running with these shoes, especially if you're running on cement. That's not what these are for. Until you get to that point, you have to take baby steps to get there. But here's my initial try on. They're super cute. I love that they have a pull tab right here so that they're easy to get on and off, and that they do come up a little bit higher. They're really cute. I love the colorway. I absolutely love these shoes. I think they're adorable. I think they're cute, and they're super flexible. So let me show you when I'm moving around. Oh, she glowing. So it does look like there's a reflector right here, so that's cool too. When you are outside, it looks like they're gonna reflect. It looks like they did come with a little bit of a stain, but that's okay. My husband likes cleaning shoes as a hobby, so once it's warm, he'll clean them anyways. But they're super flexible, so if I bend, they're gonna bend with me. I can squat in them perfectly fine, and they're really comfortable. They're really cute. I'm gonna keep you on an update with these shoes and seeing how much I like them. As a girly who normally wears like high top Vans all the time, I'm used to the 0 drop. I like my feet being flat. I don't like the arch support, which is weird because I have such a high arch and a collapsed arch. But I have full faith that these shoes are going to make a huge difference in my gains in the gym and my gains in just being everyday, being better every day, using my feet muscles and getting those feet and those ankles corrected before I feel like it's too darn late to do so. So stay tuned for an update and a review in the next one.